Para akong galit.
Nice. Anong proposition? Oo naman! Ikaw pa! Ang bala sa'yo! We're gonna show this to Daddy, okay? Yes. Nare-realize ko lang araw-araw na wala na siya. May ahas. Saan? Ay! Stress ako dun ah. Thank you for the gift of this new day. I look around and see all the blessings you have poured into my life. The air I breathe, the roof over my head, the love of the people you've placed in my life. And yes, there are obstacles. So many problems feel heavy on my shoulders right now. The future sometimes seems unclear, and the path ahead looks steep. Please, Lord, give me strength I need to carry these burdens without breaking. And give me the wisdom, the clear-sighted perspective to see the lessons in every challenges. Help me to make choices that honor you, to speak the words that build up, and to approach every difficulty with faith instead of fear. Let my life be a testament to your goodness. Even with the struggles, let me remain thankful, happy, and hopeful. Lord, thank you. I'm ready for this day. Magandang umaga! Buhay! What is the English of it? What is the English of magandang umaga? Like that? Buhay! What's the English? Good morning! Happy hooray!
Kung gusto nyo kumuha, or kung kumuha man kayo sa group, pwede na kayo kumuha dyan.
Animals
have different body parts. Let's solve this problem. Jenny put 4 cupcakes in the box. After a while, she added 8 more. How many cupcakes were in the box?
12.
Yes, good. How about the number sentence? The number sentence is like this. Listen ha. Jack has 9 playing cards. Jill has 12 playing cards. How many playing cards do they have all together?
21.
Good. Practice to write thin and small, huh?
Yeah.
You want Nutella or peanut butter? Did you write the number? To get total number. Okay, number sentence. Look at this pattern. There are 35
chickens.
Okay, I will teach you how to add big numbers. 35, you can add like this, okay? 10.
Only pro can do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you telling me that you're a pro?
Yes.
Okay. You have to cut it! Oh my God. Get
Kahit pa madalas na kami po ay nagkakamali. Diba?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Dapat mag-intro ka. Intro ka. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Para akong galit.
We're here again. I'm with Queen. Dito kami ngayon sa Eider. Dahil may pimples na naman akong pagkalaki-laki. Ba't ang dilim? Ay, walang ilaw.
Ayan lang po ang ilaw.
Okay. Anong gagawin mo dito sa baba?
Isipin ko.
Gawin mo ng kitchen. Buong kitchen.
Gawin kong studio.
Anong nangyari sa taas mo? Patingin ako nung sa taas mo. Isang buo na to?
Diyan din yung painting ni Cars.
Oh, okay. Malaki na rin. Ito ang painting ni Cars. Binigay niya kay Wilmer. Ang ganda. Hindi siya painting eh. Oh, ano siya, mga jeans. Nice. Oh, see? Sabi ko, pag morning ka ang alis sa Bora, mahihirapan si Queen. Kaya nagdagdag ko ng 700 each. Tapos ginawa ko executive deluxe. Siyempre, bilang hindi makontentong misis. Ha? Ano yan? O, kahit yung sing-sing hindi makita. Anong proposition?
Kunwari lang ha?
Oh,
May 50 mil ako.
Oh! Ano nga? Ganyan kasi naman ako sa ganyan. Card? Credit card? Oo.
Yun nga.
Oo nga.
Ikakas kita 50.
Tapos?
Tapos, tuhulog ako yung the rest.
Nice.
Oo naman! Ikaw pa!
Oh yeah.
Ang bala sa'yo! Siyempre no, babalik mo naman, di ba? Yung doktor ko, ng Virgin Nose. 85 ang nakita ko isang beses pero ewan ko lang kung umakit na siya. Yun lang pala yun! Akala ko naman. So, ibig sabihin, pagkatapos ko magpapailong ka na din. Hindi, yung interval ba? After 1 month? After...
Kasi hindi tayo pwede magsabay.
Hindi nga.
Kasi mapupulit pa rin. Pag magkasama tayo, hindi pwede. Mapupunitan. Nakita ko na sa TikTok, dalawang mag-best friend, nagsabay sila nagpaka.
Tapos nagtatawa na siya.
Ilang best dugo, napapagalitan sila ng doktor.
So, mga next year pa yan.
Hindi.
After 1 month. December?
Wala akong takbo ng December.
No, sige.
Para pagdating ng February.
Oh, launching na ng ilong natin.
Hilom na ako.
Baka hindi kami pwedeng mag-water sports ng matitindi nito.
Ay, yung November, tas February, 4 months. Malayo na yun. Meron.
Ay, mga underwater, mga ganun. Di ba yung mabipressure?
Can we buy pizza, please?
Why do you think I should allow it?
Because I'm hungry.
Because you're hungry? So you eat rice. Why do you want pizza? Are you being a good girl? Are you gonna be a good girl?
Yes.
What flavor of pizza?
Pineapple.
With the pineapple?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Oh my gosh! Why did you think about pizza? Why do you want pizza? If you're a good girl, tomorrow, I'll buy pizza.
I want pizza.
Oh, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. I will check, ha? I will not help you. Go do it alone.
By myself. Be here.
Do you want me to be with you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you love me.
Hey!
Vaccine po for kids yung kanina. Are you super brave, Queen? Let me see if you have muscles. Oh! 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 Whoa! 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 Down. Dito ka.
Ay, bawal mag-video.
Wow. So brave, you're so brave.
I did not cry.
You did not cry. Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh my God, you're so brave, Queen. Okay, vaccine done?
Show me your injection. Wow. What? I'm gonna show this to Daddy, okay? Eating pizza. Pina, eat pizza. Ay, feeling ko dalhin yan. Ay, oh. Magkakaroon ako ng garage sale. Dito na naman tayo sa aking dermatologist. Tambayan ko na to, ah. Hello. Yes. Pati ba ito may pricking? Para sa mangga. Meron sana akong ipapataying mga damit. So, saka mga bra, underwear. Ito yung mga bagay na tinatawag ko si Mami, sa kanya ko ipapagawa. Naiyak lang ako ng very light. Wala na akong tatawagin. Ganito pa rin araw-araw. Iyak pa rin ako. Hindi talaga nawawala. Nare-realize ko lang araw-araw na wala na siya. Masakit pa rin. Masakit pa rin. Pero syempre kailangan mong magpatuloy.
Let's go to Queen. Magsusundo naman tayo ngayon ng bagets. Do you wanna join to Math Quiz Bee?
Yeah.
Siya nagpresenta. We will join and then we will practice, okay? Oh, you really wanna join the Quiz Bee? Math Quiz Bee?
Yeah.
The one who's nervous. We have to practice addition, subtraction, problem solving. It's your first time to have a Quiz Bee. You're so brave, ah. It's a contest. Yeah, there's a winner and others will lose. But it's okay. Kasi dito, sa likod ng ano, may ahas kasi dito sa may labas. Hinuhuli nila. Wala namang makakapasok ditong cobra. Sana wala nga. Check mo kung mayroong mga ano, baka makapasok yung ano, snake. Hindi na yun lalabas. Siyempre, nakita, naramdaman na nung ahas na may humahabol sa kanya eh. Ahas. Yan ang mahirap pag ano eh, gubat yung katabi. Yan ang hinahanap nila. Huh? Malaki ba kuya? Dalawang daliri. Ay, kasi yan dito sa bahay. Baka lumusot. Okay, barangay. Baka kailangan barangay, kuya. Baka barangay. Di ba pwede sila? Di ba? O, pulis. Bumbero. Lagyan mo ng manok para lumabas. Ayun na, lumalabas na. Neighborhood.
Hi.
Alin?
Hi. Come.
No, Queen.
Hi. Join my house. We're waiting for you. Come.
Baka nasa gulong, kuya. Ay! Saan ba?
Hams na gulo.
Ginagawa nilang humps, yung gano'n?
Yung nandyan na ginawang hams no, tapos nilagay na sa gilid na.
1, 2, 3! Go!
Sabi mo aso yung malaki. Pre, sa'yo papunta pre ha. Ayun na pre, papunta sa'yo pre. Papunta sa'yo pre. Papunta pre. Patay mo na. Hindi naman po pre. Kopre yan.
Baka uod lang yan ha.
Oh yeah.
So
Batman.
1. Yan na. Sugod. Punitin ang sedula. Napatay na. Asan? Ay!
Dalawasan na sa bahay mo ata eh. May sako po kayo. Sako na natin.
Baka nakakain pa yan.
Puro yan magkakapatid.
Magalaw ka nga.